Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I wanna explain about three previous theory in translation. First is pragmatic equivalence, second is semiotic equivalence, and the third is beyond equivalence is moral and ethic and morality. First is pragmatic equivalence. Pragmatic equivalence is an approach to translation that aim at to achieve impact equivalence between the source text and the translation. Its focus includes 1. Context, adapting the translation to the target reader, cultural and social situation. Second is communication purpose, preserving the original intent of the source text in translations. Third is impact on the reader, produce a similar response in the reader of the translated text. The primary goal is to ensure the reader of the translated text understand and react to the message in a way that comparable to the reader of the original text. This may involve adjusting language, idioms, or cultural reference to achieve an equivalence effect. In the next slide, we have semiotic equivalence. Semiotic equivalence concerns with the equivalence of sign and meaning system between the source and target language. The main include 1. Important aspect, 2. Purpose, 3. Application. In point 1, the important aspects has 3 points. A. Cultural, understanding the cultural context of sign involves. B is symbols. Translate symbols appropriately. C. Sign interpretation. Ensuring the meaning of sign is interpreted equally. The point 2 is purpose. To preserve the semiotic meaning in translation so that reader of the target language of the target text can understand the sign and symbols the like reader of the source text. Point 3 is application. Involves adapting symbols, metaphors, or cultural reference to make them meaningful in the target language context. In essence, semiotic equivalence attempts to bridge the differences in sign system between language and cultural in the translation process. Next, we have beyond equivalence is ethic and morality. This concept addresses the ethical and moral aspect of translation that go beyond linguistic equivalence. The point 1 main consideration, point 2 is challenges, point 3 is focus, and point 4 is importance. Point 1 main consideration has 2 points. A is ethical responsibility of the translator, understanding the moral impact of translation choices. B is impact of translation, evaluating the social and cultural consequence of translation outcomes. The point 2 is challenges, dealing with moral dilemmas in translating sensitive or controversial text. Point 3 is focus. Focus has 3 points. A is the balance between fidelity to the source text and ethical responsibility. B is ethical decision making in complex translation situations. C is considering the moral implication of word choice and interpretation. Point 4 is importance. Importance emphasizes that translation is not about language transfer, but also involves broader ethical and moral consideration. In essence, this concept invites translator to to consider aspect of ethics and morality that go beyond linguistic equivalence in their translation practice. Next is conclusions. Conclusions in this theory, first, pragmatic equivalence focus on equivalence, meaning, and pragmatic effect. Second is semiotic equivalence, relate to the equivalence of sign and meaning systems. Third is beyond equivalence, discusses The ethical and moral aspect of translation. This conclusion emphasizes the understanding and applying all the concepts in important to produce translation that are not only technically accurate but also effective, meaningful, and ethical. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.